write it as RHS, students. How long? Anya completed? All of you have done? Angel, Cecilia done? Bhargavi? It shouldn't take so long, students. Hardly, yes, within 1 or 2 minutes you have to complete. Tell me the value. Sec is given. Sec, and look here, observe this sign. 1 minus sin A is given and 1 plus sin A is given. Right hand side. Okay, right hand side we need sine. So sec, students, 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A. If denominators are different, I've told you how to take LCM. Keep square as it is. Write them together. Write cos A. No, denominators are same, right? Yeah, denominators are same. So just take cos A. Numerator it becomes 1 minus sin A, the whole square. Now look here. Numerator we almost got the value, students. The only problem is square. Only problem is square. Fine. So what you do is just square on both the sides. Remove it, write it separately. 1 minus sin A the whole square divided by cos square A. Is this clear? All of you did it in the same way? Yeah, this is one way to do it. If you don't understand this, students, how many times 1 plus cos A is multiplied? What's the degree? 2, right? So can I write it twice like this? 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A. I've taught you all the basics. You do it however you want. Look here, cos A. Now, after this part, after this or after this part, you can write it like this. 1 minus sin A is written twice. Keep it as it is. See how simple it is. Cos square is given. See, cos into cos is cos square A. Numerator, we almost got the value. There is extra 1 minus sin A. Denominator, cos square A. Right hand side, we need sin. Convert this cos square A. Numerator, denominator. What is cos square A? 1 minus sin square A. That 1 minus sin square A, can I write 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A? 1 plus sin A. Numerator, it remains the same, students. 1 by sin A into 1 minus sin A. Sorry, both are minus. See, I'm writing in a digital notepad, so handwriting is a bit clumsy. Okay, if you don't understand anything, let me know. 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A. 1 minus sin A, here it is fine. So 1 minus sin A, 1 is minus, 1 is plus, students. You can cancel it. Are we getting the answer? 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A? All of you have got. So, this is how. So mark this question important. Reason, right hand side. Usually we used to solve left hand side and right hand side. And one more thing, don't make this mistake, students. Look here. Left hand side, don't repeat this. Not necessary. Just put RHS, write all this. In the last part, you'll mention. See this part. In the last, just write both together. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved, you'll get full marks. Okay, now we solved all left hand side question and we solved 2 right hand side question, right? Now this question, make a note of this question where you're supposed to solve both left and right hand side. I'll tell you how to do this. Look here. Cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1 is equal to okay, which one shall we solve? Left hand side or right hand side, students? All of you look at the screen. Don't write anything. Stop writing. Look at the screen. Which one should I solve? Left hand side. Let us take LHS. Cosec is given. Reciprocal value is 1 by sine minus 1. 1 by sine plus 1. If I take LCM, Denominators are different. So sine as it is 1 minus sine A divided by, what do we get, students? All of you will respond 1 plus sine A divided by sine. Which one gets cancelled? If I rewrite this 1 by sine A divided by sine. Some you can cancel it directly, no problem. You can write the answer. If you want, you can rewrite like this. Rearrange sine A divided by 1 plus sine A. Gets cancelled. So what is left, students? What is left? Hmm. Divided by 1 plus sine A. Can we further factorize this? I mean, solve this? What's the other way to do it? I told you all we have to convert everything in sine and cos. We have already converted into sine, students. We can't further convert into any other value, right? So these type of question requires both left hand side and right hand side. Remember, left hand side we have this. Right hand side we'll try to solve and get the same concept, same answer. Mark this question important. Right hand side. Right hand side, open the bracket, students. Cos is multiplied twice. Look here, cos 1 plus sine A. The square is degree is 2. Write it twice. Degree is 2. Cos A divided by 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A. Can you respond what do you get for this, students? RHS. Numerator, what do we get? Cos square. And denominator, just keep, yeah, 1 plus sine A as it is, 1 plus sine. Cos square A. How do you convert into sine? Because left hand side we need sine. How do you convert? Yes, 1 minus sine square. I'll write as 1 square minus sine square. A square minus B square. Divided by 1 plus sine into 1 plus sine. What's the value for 1 square minus sine square? What is it? Not sine square A. 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine. 1 minus sine A. Divided by 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, students. One value gets reduced. What's the answer left? 1 minus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A. Are we getting the answer? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is this clear? This is the third type of question you'll have, where you have to convert both, students, left hand side and right hand side. After a certain point, you won't be able to solve left hand side. So take right hand side and solve it. Complete it. At last, just mention, write both together and write LHS is equals to RHS. Complete this and see if there are any other questions. So for these type of question, you need both left hand side and right hand side. I think this should be some 17th or 18th question. Write it. All of you have done that. Left hand side and right hand side question. The students respond completed. Okay, try this question. Take left hand side, tan square A and tan square B is given. Convert in terms of sine cos, take LCM. Which one do this? How do you convert tan A and tan B? Take left hand side. Right, how do you convert tan? In terms of sine and cos, right? Yes, but there is square. There is square, what's there? Sine square A divided minus maximum sine and cos, right? Sine and cos is tough to calculate. Don't convert the square value. Denominator is same or different? Yeah, they're not same. Alphabet is different, right? Variables. So how do you take LCM? You have to write it together. Yes, you write this together, denominator and numerator. What do you do? Right. Cross multiply, not subtract. Cross multiply. Like A into cos square B. Question. Try it. If not, I'll teach. Not able to do. As you solve, keep checking the right hand side. See which one you need to convert. Yes, students not able to do it. Look at the right hand side. Look at the right hand side. Did we have the denominator same? Got the denominator? What about numerator? Numerator we have to convert, right? Yeah, all of you look at the screen, students. Stop writing. Look at the screen. Malavika, Cecilia, look at the screen, students. Angel, what is given? Sine square A and sine square B is given, right? What are the extra values we have here? Cos square B and cos square A. Yeah, we cannot directly eliminate them. You cannot directly eliminate it. What you can do is convert any one value, which is extra in the numerator. Observe and tell me which is extra. Cos square B and so what I'll do, I'll keep sine square A as it is. The extra value is cos square B. I'll convert in terms of sine. What is cos square B if you convert in terms of sine? B, right? Next, numerator, we have sine square B. I'm not going to convert sine, students. Look at the numerator. What is cos? 1 minus, 1 minus sine. I'm just converting the cos values. 1 minus sine square A. Open the bracket. What do you get? Denominator, you don't have to convert. We already got the value. Numerator. When you open the bracket, what do you get? Numerator part. Open, multiply this. When you multiply, you get sine square A minus sine square A into sine square B. Next, multiply along with the sine. What is minus sine square B into 1? Minus sine square B. Then multiply minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Plus sine square B into what do you? Which one gets cancelled? Which two values gets cancelled? Can you see these two values? Yeah, they're almost the same, right? But only plus and minus, they get cancelled. What is left? Sine square A minus sine square B. Did we get the numerator value? And denominator remains as it is, right? Cos square A into cos square B. Is it clear? All of you understood? Any doubts in this? Wait, let me minimize, students. Let me minimize. Go through what I've written. This is the final answer. Look at what I've written. Just don't copy. If you copy, you won't understand. Go through what I've written. Try to do it again. Write the question and look it up. No, you can rewrite that, right, Ruth? I can write minus sine square A and minus sine square B. The other one is what? Plus. Yes. What is the other one? I can just rewrite, right? Sine square into sine square B. It is like this: plus 2 minus 2, students. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Look at the way I've rewrote this one. So it they get cancelled. And why did I specifically choose cos? I chose cos square B was in numerator cos square wasn't given. Cos wasn't given. I kept sine as it is. So listen when I'm teaching, students. Concentrate and listen the way I explain. All the answers are available on net. Okay, your teachers also might do. You'll get it in textbook. So answer is not an issue. You should know how to solve it. You should know which one to cancel, which one to convert. If you don't know the logic, you won't be able to solve. Okay, complete this. We'll do the next one. Yes, Malavika done. Okay. Mark even this as important, students. Go through. So as of now, we have completed almost all the square values. Okay, square value, sine is done, cos, tan, root values left. We'll do that next. All of you completed. Shall we do the next one? Okay, next one. Next question. So we've learned how to take values, how to square, use square relation. Next concept LCM is also fine. 1920. 21, 22 is also fine. 23 cube square. Okay. Now out we'll do one question on how to take common values and solve. Okay, one question on common value. Sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Yeah, to look it is complicated, but a very simple question. Left hand side, look, left hand side we have cube, students. As of so far, we didn't study any cube value. What is the degree for sine? What's the degree or power? 1. And what is the degree for this? 3. Right? So they are like terms, student. It is like this: x minus x square, x cube. You have to rationalize this, factorize this. How do you factorize? Whichever has lowest power, you take out 1 minus x square, like this. Fine. This is the concept we use. Sine is common. I'll take sine theta outside. What do you get? 1 minus 2 remains as it is. 2 theta. Divide. Next one. What is common? What is common? You get 2 remains. 2 cos square theta minus 1. What is sine square theta? So now we need right hand side. We need tan theta. Okay, tan. What is sine divided by cos? To respond. Divided by cos is how much? Tan theta. So we have the answer. Only thing we have to eliminate these two, right? We have to eliminate these two so that you get the answer. Yeah, so that is how you have to think, students. Sin by cos, we already have that. What I'll do in bracket 1 minus 2, I'll keep as it is. What is sine square theta, students? What is sine square theta? Convert in terms of what's the other one? Cos square theta. Sine square, correct. Sine square theta is how much? 1 minus cos square theta. Look, I've replaced the value. What is cos square theta? Sine square theta. Write it till here. First write these 3 steps. Then when you open the bracket, you can cancel it. They would get cancelled. We are left with sine theta by cos theta. Complete this. Copy till here. I'll teach you. Sine theta by cos theta. See, keep this as it is. This is the question. Sine theta plus minus 2 sine cube theta is the question. Yes. Open the bracket, student. Sine theta cos theta as it is. 1 minus when I open the bracket, what am I getting? 2 ones are 2. What is minus 2 into minus cos theta? Plus 2 cos square a, right? No, no, not cos square a. Sorry, cos square theta. It is theta. Denominator, what we get, students, when I open the bracket? 2 ones are 2 minus 1. Don't write it. I'll teach you. Complete it till here. Till here, did you understand? Yeah, now look here. This is the most important part now. Sin theta, cos theta as it is. Which one gets reduced? What is 1 minus 2? Look at the number. 1 minus 2 is? No, minus 1. Minus 1 is? No, which one did I convert? 2 cos theta is given. 2 cos square theta minus 1. It becomes 2 sin square theta. Okay, what do we have, students? Minus 1 plus, what's the value? 2 cos square. And in denominator, what are we getting? Minus 1, 1 minus sin square theta. Both should get. No, no, I made a mistake here. Only one thing you have to convert. Sorry, I have tried to do both. Any one value you have to convert, student. Just convert the numerator. Denominator, what is the value given? What was denominator? 2 into theta minus 1. See, denominator you don't have to convert. Keep it as it is. Erase it. Do it like this. See, denominator I'm going to keep as it is. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Only convert the numerator part, student. Just convert the numerator part. Erase it. Okay, let me write. You can do it later. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Now, minus 1. If I rearrange this, what do I get? Plus 2 cos square theta, can I write it first in the beginning because it is positive? Can I write it like this? Do they get cancelled now? And what is left? Sin theta by cos theta. How much is sin theta by cos theta? Here, remember, convert only one value, that is this numerator. Look at the yellow arrow. Only the numerator I have converted. Keep the denominator as it is. Just convert numerator. Redo the entire question, students. Copy the question, redo it. Completed. Dia, Anya, done. Yes, Anya completed. Cecilia, Anya, Abigail, Bhargavi. What is Island doing? Island Angel, are you all writing doing it? Kia, I will complete it, students. All of you have written note. Fine. What's the time? Today up to another 15-20 minutes I'll conduct. Yeah, take 6 minutes break. We'll continue at 6 o'clock after 5 minutes. Yes, students, shall we continue the next one? All of you are online? Respond. Next question. Do the next one. Yeah, we'll solve few from RS Agarwal. Up to 18th, you're able to solve. What about 19th question? How will you do the 19th one? Left hand side. Are the denominators same or different? 19. All of you will respond. Different 19, 20, right? What about 21, 22? Yeah, no denominators. Who told that? Diya? What is it, Diya? Is that the way you have to answer denominators, no denominators? Then I'm asking, how do you solve that? I didn't ask whether they have denominators or not. Okay, 21st and 20th. Can you see a plus b the whole square? You have to use a plus b the whole square, right? Sine and cosec. Outside there is a square. Okay, try the 19th one, students. All of you try the 19th one. Take LCM. 19th question is 1 plus sine A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by 1 plus sine A is equal to 2 sec A. Take the left hand side, take LCM, start solving the students. Cross multiply. 1 plus sine A is written twice, so you can write 1 plus sine A the whole square. Apply A plus B the whole square concept and cos square A. I think we did one similar question yesterday. Is Kia online? Kia Angel? Both of you are you solving it, students? Do it. Use A plus B the whole square for the first one. It's a simple question. I think we did this yesterday, students. Similar question we did yesterday. Which one can we pair so that you get one? Sine square plus cos square. How much is sine square A plus cos square A? 1. I'll write it together like this. Take take out 2 common. From numerator, take 2 common. All of you completed, got the answer. What is common in the numerator, students? So you get 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, and 1 plus sin A gets cancelled. I think we did this yesterday. So what is cos A, students? The cos A is reciprocal of sec, right? You can write it as 2 sec A. Okay, this is R.S. Agarwal. Most of the questions are repeated in both the textbooks. Let me see the next one. This 20th one, copy the 20th one. Do it for homework, students. You can convert into sine or take LCM. Do it however you want. Try the 20th one for homework. All of you write this question, cosec A. Is the question visible to you all? 20th question. Yes. Copy this question. All of you make a note. Write it. That's it. Question 23 has cube in that. We'll do that tomorrow. Cube is given. Then, okay, previous. Yes, just a minute. Question 20 is 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan A. Okay. Question 20 you all can try. It's not given. It's not given in the this one, student. What do you mean? Board exam. It was not given for board, but look at 2021. This question 18. 2018 they had given, and in 2020 they had given this question. All of you have made a note. 20th question done. Okay, just a minute. I'll check. 2019. All this we have solved, students. 23, 25, 26. All this we have solved. Now one more thing. This question I'll make you all solve. 21st in bracket write 2018. So whenever we solve any previous year question, just write the date, year, students. Just mention the year next to the question. So you'll have an idea what kind of questions they give for board exam. Okay, copy this 21st question. Not only this chapter, write the question, 2018 question. You can leave, Ruth. You can leave. Attend at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock tomorrow. Fine, I'll send you the 21st. I'll upload the recording. Last 10 minutes you can go through. You can leave. Others try this to last question. Another 10-15 minutes. 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Wait, let me write the question first. 1 plus tan A plus sec A is equals to 2. And mention the date 2018. This was given in the year 2018. 1 plus cot A sec cosec into 1 plus tan A into sec. Try this, students. We need 2 outside, right hand side. There is number 2 given out right hand side. Take LHS 1 plus cot. What do you write cot, students? Cot can be written as cos A by sin A. Minus cosec is 1 by sin. The other one, does it have any denominator? The other one? No, right? Keep it as 1. Take LCM for all 3. If you don't know, wait for me, I'll do it. If you don't know, I'll do it. Take the other one. Sin A by cos A. Try, students. You all can try it. Take LCM. Let me check who gets it right. You should get 2 on the right hand side. Susila, done? Are you there online? How do you take LCM, Susila? Can you explain what is common? Sin is common. Which one doesn't have sin A? So there, what you're supposed to do, multiply into sin A in denominator, right? Very good. So what you all get, students? Sin A plus cos A minus 1. And right hand side, what do you get? Cos A plus sin A plus divided by next. After this, we are not able to solve. It's slightly a tough question. Only one line, only this line is tough. Numerator. Okay, denominator. See, in between we have multiplication, students. Multiplication. I'll write it like this. All of you will observe. Nobody was able to solve this. Answer. Abigail, Angel, till here. Okay, what about Abigail, Angel, Aileen, Anya, Malavika? Not able to. Abigail, respond. Angel, Abigail, why no response? Bhargavi, no. Malavika, nobody were able to do. Okay, there's only one question, student. This is a tricky part. Look here. Denominator, whenever multiplication is given, observe this and tell me how do they look like. There is minus and plus here. This sine and cos, I'll write it as it is. Sine A, cos A, I'll write as it is. See, sine A plus cos A minus 1. Your cos A and sine A is given. I'll just rearrange the value. I'll write it as sine A plus cos A. It doesn't make much difference. Okay, if you write 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, you're going to get the same answer, student. So I'll just replace it. Now, look, I'll tell you which one to take A and which one to take B, students. Observe the numerator. These two are same in numerator, right? Which is different, students? Which one is different? One is different and there is plus and minus. That is what I've arranged. Look, this is what I've arranged. Minus 1, minus 1. Look at the yellow one. They are the same. So the yellow one, you're supposed to take it as A, students. And this had come in the previous year question, 2018 board exam. Board exam, they've given such type of question. So if you know A square minus B square, you can solve. Even in that, this is a tough part. Just a minute. Yeah, I'll change. This is plus 1, students, plus 1. Okay, now we'll take the yellow one as A. This as A, this as B. This as A, this as B. Can you see we have A minus B into A plus B? What is A plus B into A minus B square? B square is 1 square. What is A square? Plus cos divided by sin A into cos A. Use A plus B the whole square. So what is A plus B the whole square? Sin square A plus cos square A plus. Okay, at least from here, I want you all to do it. Some value gets cancelled so that you get 2 on the right hand side. Complete it. Look at the green and yellow one. I rearranged those values so that you can take it as A and B. A square minus B square concept. What's the value of sin square A plus cos square A? Okay. Plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. Which one gets cancelled, students? I just need 2 on the right hand side. Other things gets cancelled, right? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Almost, yeah, all the square questions are done, student. This was one of the, it was a good question. Square relation question. And mention 2018. 2018 year. Yes, all of you completed? Done? Anya, Dia completed? Okay, Abigail, Kia, all of you are done. Angel, Bhargavi. Fine, I'll give 2 questions for homework, students. One I had already given, one previous year 2020 question. What about Eileen? Is Eileen online? Are you doing solving it, Eileen? Okay. So this is done, students. Copy to 2021. I had given 20th question. That was not in previous year. Copy this 2020 question. All of you try the 25th question. Copy the 25th one. 2 questions for homework. 1 plus cot is given, 1 minus tan, students. Keep sine and cos as it is, convert cot and tan. So you'll have 2 denominators, shift 1 to the numerator, you'll have a square formula. Okay, square. Don't take LCM. Don't try to take LCM. First convert cot and tan into sine and cos. Later you can take LCM and solve that. 25th question. Completed? All of you are done? Sin A divided by 1 plus. So I have given 2 questions for homework. Okay, one is this 25th one and the other one was 20th one. Look at this 20th. Okay, I'll share the screenshot later. Attend at 3 o'clock tomorrow, students. That's it. Fine. If all of you have done, we'll end the class. All of you completed?